Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see participle clauses. Let's start. So what are participle clauses? Here you have some examples. We have two different participle clauses. First one is the present participle ending in ing. Example, being an adult, I'm stronger. Or, after eating, I'm going to take a nap. What is the participle clause? This one here, being an adult and after eating. And then we have the second type, the past participle. This ends in ed or we can use the third column. Example, finished my homework, I meet my friends. What is the participle clause? This, finished my homework. So, a participle is a verb form ending in ing or ed, or the third column. It is linked to the main clause. And they explain time, cause, effect, or event order. And there are two types, present participles ending in ing or past participles ending in ed or the third column. So how do we use participle clauses? I'm going to explain you the subject. The subject of the participle clause is usually omitted. We normally don't write the subject. The subject of the two clauses must be the same. We cannot change subjects. And when there's a subject, it's more formal. I give you one example. Teaching English, he feels great. But if we add the subject here, it sounds more formal. Teaching he English, he feels great. Now let's see the negative. In negative participle clauses, we use not. So, example, not eating after the match, she felt ill. Not can be located before or after the participle, depending on the meaning. For example, not knowing the aperture time, she called very early. Or knowing not to call before 8 o'clock, she called at 9. Depending on the meaning, we can write not before or after the participle, knowing. Now let's see having plus past participle. That means that the action of the participle clause happens before the action of the main clause. I give you one example. Having finished my work, I met my family for lunch. What happens first? This action, the participle clause. Having finished my work, this is the first action, and then the second action is I met my family for lunch. Now let's see prepositions. They give more emphasis to the sentence, or they can add more information about time, cause, effect, or events order. I give you some examples of prepositions that we can use in participle clauses. By, after, before, while, since, and with. I give you one example. With by. By playing the piano 8 hours per day, Jane got the first prize. Keep in mind that after preposition we use ing. Here I leave you some exercises. You have to write the participle in ing or ed. And then here you've got a second exercise where you have to rewrite the sentences using a participle clause. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.